Look at baby Hayden. She's such a big girl now. She can stand, holding herself up. Look at you. Whoop! And now you went. Hold on, we get back up. Get back up. Grab on. There we go. There we go. Straighten your feet out. Good girl. Look at that. Whoop! Such a big girl. Hi, Mommy. Are you watching TV? Anyway. There you are. Look at them feet. Such a big girl.